Remember to subscribe and hit notifications on the new YouTube channel, Caribbean E. Also, unsubscribe to the Eric Mariani channel. Let's shut down this hacker together. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Caribbean E and Tina.
How you guys doing?
Hope everybody's just having a great and wonderful day. We just stopped to say hello to a lot of people that reached out to us. I got lots of them on my WhatsApp, okay? I'd like to say hi to a few of them, like Dwayne from Atlanta, Georgia. Met him a couple of times. How you doing, Dwayne? Hope your day's going good. And
Trevino.
Hi, Trevino. Talk to you briefly.
Manny. Hi, Manny.
And Manny, I missed you when you was here, but I'm quite sure you'll be back like Arnold Schwarzenegger. So I see you.
Terminator.
The Terminator.
Yeah.
And also to Alan Smith. Alan Smith, who was at the dental office with me.
Oh, yeah.
And we got a chance to hook up. I know I was out of town when you were here, but hopefully we'll get together again soon when you come back this way. And also Ralph Fuller. Hello, Ralph. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a wonderful and marvelous day. Jose Torres. Hope you're having a good day.
And Keldrick. Keldrick Rose from Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
See you soon. I know you're coming out here.
See you soon. Can't wait till you get here.
P.S. You were asking what you could bring. Tina loves Bath and Body candles.
Also, Brandon Smith. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. Elvin Lopez. How you doing? Hope everything's going good. Steven. Hey, Steven, what's up, man? Hope everything's going great.
Vern and Angela. Hi. Ramon Domenico Lopez. What's up?
What's cracking? What's up?
Yeah, I said Vern. Kenneth McDonald.
Kenneth McDonald, how you doing? And so many people here.
Yeah, we could just go on.
We just go on.
We'd be here forever.
Felix Santana, and you one of the owners for La Laconda, the Italian restaurant.
Yes.
I'd like to say hello to you.
We haven't been in it a while,
channel.
but we've been kind of busy.
And also Mike, hello to you. Hope you're doing good. I even like to say hello to my daughter Dominique. Hi Dominique, how are you? Hope you're having a good day.
And Christopher.
And Noah and Christopher. And all of my Vegas peeps. Every one of them. All my Republic services, brothers and sisters.
And to your #1 fan, Don Kingham.
John Kingham.
You know who you are. So another thing that we're going to do that we've never done in any of our videos is we are going to go right to the comments and have you on the spot answer some comments.
There you go.
You ready?
Do it quickly.
Okay. Pirate says, please let me add that I appreciate your channel. I think you guys are great. Love the content, especially when you're outside. Wine glasses and cheers. Thank you, Pirate. I like being outside when I'm not getting eaten up by mosquitoes, and I would definitely like to toast you wine, but sorry, I only said no. But thank you for watching, right? We appreciate the support.
Yes, sir. Yes, we do. Yes,
keep it coming, and we will keep trying to get that great content. And you guys never feel like scared to ask us what you want to see.
Right.
Like, we love hearing suggestions, and plus it gives me an excuse to go places, so I love it.
There you go.
Here's one that SD sent to us. Does he have a pager contact? Talking about the mayor that we showed that with the I would call it the tour gone wrong.
Right.
Yeah,
right,
in Santiago,
right,
downtown.
Right.
I'm interested in a good history tour. Now, I wouldn't suggest the mayor because he was super expensive and he's going to try to get like $100, $200. You can freaking hire a historian, that would do like days with you for that price.
Right.
So, not the mayor. Find somebody else.
Definitely not the mayor.
You guys give him some suggestions. We would put that in the comments. We would love to hear some suggestions on people he can actually.
If we got enough of you to get together, I'll do the tour. Hello. Let's get enough, more than one, more than 5, and we can do a walking tour. How about that?
And Real Brother, he always comments. Get a Cash App, guys. Good job. Well, we do have a Cash App. We've got a PayPal, and the PayPal me is Caribbean E.
There you
So
go.
it is always in the description, and you can hit that up. So Josefina Garcia, keep up the good work. Love you guys. Keep it real and be safe wherever you go. I'm originally from the DR, but I travel all over the world and live in Santo Domingo East. There is nothing better than DR.
And I love it.
J Love, 4 days to Gurabo. Here's in 4 days.
See you when you get here.
Days. See you when you get here. Do you know any time? So Eric, J Love wants to know, hey Eric, do you know any time away from work is a good time, brother? So yeah, any time away from work. Hello.
Anytime away from work, it's a beautiful day. Especially when you're in retirement. It's a beautiful life. Okay.
So Christiana says, so how does the Dominican Republic explain the number of people that died from the way the news reported it?
Well, sometimes, bad news, like I said, travels a lot faster than good news.
Right.
Okay? And
But that goes back to the video where we said that the FBI did their research.
FBI did their research.
And the only reason that we did that video was because people said now that they have requested that the FBI do additional forensic testing and blood tests and all that stuff. What happened, and do you guys know, and could you report on it? So we did do that video. A lot of people wrote in about, oh, you can't believe what, the U.S. says, and it's all hype, and it's all this and that. Well, the families requested it. They were honored by the U.S. government, and the FBI did it. So, I'm just reporting the news and just commenting my own 2 tidbits on it.
And a lot of it was natural causes. It wasn't no foul play, natural causes.
Which is exactly what the DR said. So
Right,
to
exactly
answer
what
her
they
question, it's like
Right.
the Dominican said that from the very beginning. They were said that they weren't to be trusted, that they were covering up. So that's why the FBI was called in to do their own internal investigation. And they found the same thing.
Right.
So that kind of tells me the DR was spot on.
Right.
Because when 2 people tell you the same thing, come on.
And it's got to be true.
Well, because, blood tests don't lie.
And
Numbers don't lie.
numbers
Things
don't
don't
lie.
lie. Tests don't lie.
Don't lie.
And if 2 people say the same thing of huge agencies, I'm just saying, I'm not a conspiracy theorist. We can go on and on, but yeah, no. I just tend to believe that. But anyway. So 11 Starfire. You comment a lot. That's
Hello.
a whole lot of natural causes of death with multiple couples within a short period of time in the same locale. I do know for a fact that high-end tourist locations will cover up and lie about certain issues in order to keep the value and revenue coming in.
Right.
But I will say this. I worked in Vegas in construction management, and you would be floored if you knew how many people committed suicide and died inside casinos and hotels that you never hear about. And they won't, because then you won't stay there. Because I can personally tell you, I worked on a I will not say the companies, but it's a huge one, property where 3 different people hung themselves. And it was never in the news.
Right. And not only that, I worked for public services for over 30 years. And we found dead bodies in dumpsters. We found babies aborted in dumpsters and all other kind of murders. But you don't hear a lot of that stuff on the news because they want to keep a good impression for the tourists.
Yep. So Benjamin Padilla. Hello, Benjamin.
Hello.
You comment a lot, but I love it. I read them all, but I love yours. Good point on the dangerous situations, talking about the deaths again.
Right.
This is how you guys differ from the educated traveler, a fellow YouTuber. He has an informative travel channel. I can personally tell you I follow him and I adore him. So if you watch us, educated traveler, you're awesome. We watch you. I like you. You're funny too. I don't know about the singing, but you're funny and we watch you. He has an informative travel channel. I believe that too. However, at times he covers some of the touristy and seedier sides of the North Coast. Hey, that's part of his demographic. You guys present stability and have another demographic.
Right.
People who want facts presented respectfully and in fun. Enjoyed video. All the best. He said peace and blessings, because it's bendiciones.
Cool.
Gracias, bendición a ti, Ferdinand.
So, we do read your comments.
Mhm.
We'll continue to read your comments, do some dialogue, we'll toss it around. Just like somebody had to let me know that there was actually a PF change here in the Dominican Republic.
Yes, in Santo Domingo. Thank you so much.
I was shocked.
And PF Chang's reached out to me when I wanted to confirm if they had a couple things. So shout out to PF Chang.
Wow. That was a good shout
We have
out,
to
man.
we have to cover that when we go.
We're going to go hopefully next month. We'll go to a PF change in San Domingo. And I want to go and just actually do a video and take a picture and say, hey guys, I'm in the Dominican Republic.
But I'm in PF Chang's.
PF Chang's. Never thought that was possible because last month we were at PF Chang in Puerto Rico.
Yes, in San Juan.
San
At
Juan.
the mall, yes.
So I mean that's a good thing. You got more stuff. I mean that's more stuff, more prominent restaurants in San Domingo than it is anywhere that I've seen. But we got some good stuff going here in Santiago too. So.
And all of you guys that suggest restaurants to us out here in Santiago, keep them coming.
Keep 'em
Because
coming.
we love trying new places. So
Right.
if you have a suggestion, some place that you've actually ate at, not that a relative owns and you've never ate at, but a place that you've ate that's awesome. We love all kinds of food. We will try it. We will go there. It gives me an excuse to get dialed up and go out. So come on. Send your suggestions. Right?
Absolutely. And keep them coming.
Mm-hmm.
So, in the meantime, between the time, remember, life's always to be enjoyed.
Yes.
Subscription, notification, follow us on social media.
Look it down in the
And-
description because we have a link
Description, got a
to your
link.
Facebook and your Instagram, and also to our PayPal if you feel so driven to give.
Right.
Thank you.
So if you give, I can have some shrimp fried rice on your behalf. And I said, this is for my buddy that gave, okay? Couple of those sakis, couple of Sapporos, in your name, okay? In your honor.
Lord have mercy.
So, in the meantime, between time, life to be enjoyed. Peace. Have a good one.